Hi friends, do you know what is mean by object oriented programming? Let me explain for you. So suppose you have one problem, so there are many different approaches or ways to solve that problem. In programming also we have different approaches or style to solve one problem. But there are some special approaches which is called programming paradigms. So Python is a multi-paradigm programming language. That means in Python we can solve one problem in many different approaches or style. So there are imperative programming. In this programming what we will do? We will instruct computer how to perform a sequence of steps to achieve specific goal. Then there is object oriented programming. In this what we'll do, we will organize our code around classes and object. Then there is procedure programming. In this we will write our solution in form of procedures or function. So programming paradigms are nothing but different approaches, and within that different approaches we have object oriented programming as an approach. Thank you.